Welcome, future me and future others, to this glorious new Roblox game devlog, episode number 3. So today, we are here to talk about my games. Just to talk about what I've been working on, which, you know, isn't a whole total lot, but there's something I have to show you, of course. There's always something. Every week, that's the plan. Always something to show either somebody else out there who happens to watch my videos, or just me. I don't know. These are just for me. I always say that in every video. These are just for me, just to keep me going, just to keep me motivated, just to, you know, put out some devlogs, because that is something that helps me. It helps me to keep track of my progress. So, anyway, it is a beautiful day. As you can see, there is some glorious orange water in front of you. It's, you know, it might even be orange juice. I don't know. That's kind of like, I don't know if that's orange juice or if that's like, maybe like apple juice with some food coloring. I don't know. But maybe peach juice. Yeah. Either way, it's a beautiful day. I have my tea with me. And today we're going to be touching on what I was able to do this week. This week, I was able to change the sun. Look at that. Look at that beautiful, gorgeous sun. Wow. And the sky. Oh, look at this amazing sunset. Look at it. We're playing Mario Sunshine. I know. It's amazing. Yes. Yeah, that was... it's like if you've ever played like Super Mario Sunshine, you know how like the health meter is this weird looking sun with a little swirly. Yeah, I don't know. I just was playing around with lighting and stuff. And I got sun rays to work too, which we'll look at in a little bit. I don't know why. Well, I know why. I was able to figure out there were some settings in Roblox Studio as to why like sun rays weren't working. It was weird. But I'll save you on that. I'll spare you that information. But yeah, so right now we have a beautiful little sunset. And this is a week's worth of work. So thank you for watching. Just kidding. No. I do have something else. So, yeah. So I mentioned in my last video that I was going to be working on something else as a project for like my next project after Back to Basics. So we finished Back to Basics. Now I was like, okay, well, now it's time to work on something else. And so this is that something else. So we are here. We have finally made it to that something else. And I'm calling it Project Time Bomb, if you couldn't tell already. Here's the little title. So, and I mean, for this devlog series, I guess I'm just going to keep making devlogs. No, I'm not going to make like separate series videos for like, you know, I'm working on this project and, you know, and then I'm working on that project and make that a different playlist. Because that's not the point. The point isn't to like separate my projects like that. These are just projects to simply practice, you know, and get better and learn from them. And B, because I'm kind of lazy. I don't really want to have to go back and you know, change the thumbnail. You know, I already made one thumbnail, and I like that thumbnail, so I'm going to keep using it for as long as I can, because I'm not a huge like video editor or anything like that. So you know, yeah. We're just gonna keep this dev series going, just devlog series for a while, and I don't know how long it'll go on for, but you know, we're gonna keep up that weekly upload system. So, just doing some weekly progress updates. So, anyway, let me show you what I have been working on. So, I don't know what exactly this lobby is gonna be used for, or what exactly this like game is gonna be like, but I have made a lobby for it. It is just a prototype, but here it is. Wow, what's this? Whoa, look at that, guys. Wow. Oh my goodness, there's a little beach. Look at that. There's a cute little beach. And all these square, very, very square rocks. Whoa. So that's what you're looking at. Here it is. Yeah. It looks like a golf course. Look at that. It's a golf course. It does. It kind of looks like we're going golfing. I could totally make a golf map. I could make golf maps. That'd be fun. We're not doing golf, though. Basically, so I have 2 main ideas for this project for what I want to go for. So this is kind of going to be the lobby area where you just kind of wait around. And don't worry, I'm going to fill it up with stuff. I know it's really empty right now, and there's not really a whole lot going on with it. But I do have plans to go ahead and fill in the gaps, so to speak. So, well, that really lagged up my computer. Okay, yeah, so I do have plans to fill in the gaps, so to speak, just to make things look better. Well, to have things more, like, filled in, you know? So, like, you'll notice it's super empty right now. There's nothing to do. But we'll go ahead and fill that stuff in. I'm going to, you know, decorate it and everything. I'm going to make it look nicer. But for now, it's just kind of plain. Again, prototype. I'm not really going to mess with it a whole lot until I have a better idea of what game I'm making. And look, sunrays. We have some sunrays. Beautiful. It took so long to implement these. Like, way longer than it should have. Seriously. Like, I would put them in the Explorer, and they just would not come out. I don't know why. So, it's the weirdest thing. But anyway, let me see. So, what else is there to talk about? Right. So, yes, the game project itself. So, what do I want to do for this project? So, this is kind of my second project in terms of my Roblox, you know, what do you call it? Journey, so to speak. Basically, what I want to do, don't ask why I'm wearing a Santa hat, okay? I like my Santa hat. My Santa hat is my Santa hat. It's not your Santa hat, so I get to wear it. You don't, okay? Go away. Anyway, I have 2 main ideas for this project. My first idea was you have a bunch of levels that you go through, and each level, it's a puzzle, right? So you have to get through that level. You have a goal, right? The goal is to get to the end of that level under a certain time limit, right? So the catch is you have a time bomb on your hand, on your head, something, right? You go into the level, you have to carry a bomb with you. I don't know how that happens or why you have a bomb on you, but you have to carry a bomb with you. Maybe because like the exit of the puzzle area is a door that can only be opened with a bomb. Something like that, right? So it can only be opened with a bomb. You have to get the bomb to the end of the level before it blows up, right? So the catch is, you know, as soon as you pick that bomb up, or maybe as soon as you enter the level, then you have got to figure out how to figure the puzzle out. So maybe if the bomb is in the level, there could be some strategy in it. So if the bomb is like something that you just pick up, let's say it's like a ball that's just over here, and you're going into the level, you have this ball right here, you pick it up. Actually, I don't think I have my mouse cursor on. I don't know if you can see my mouse cursor, but if you can't, that's okay. Just visualize the ball right here. You pick it up, and then you can go and, you know, take the bomb to the door. Hopefully everything works out there. So I don't know, that's kind of a cool concept. I like that. You know, it would mean having to figure out how to make puzzles and stuff, which is definitely something I kind of want to get into. But you know, I don't know. That's a possibility. It would be more of a single player experience than a multiplayer experience, and I would have to figure out how to, you know, make it so people. I don't know if it would be better to have like single player servers, or just, you know, you have people in the lobby and they can like hang out in the lobby, but then after that there's nothing collaborative about it. I don't know. I'd have to think about it. Sipping on some tea. Anyway, so I have to think about that if I went down that route. But yeah, that's basically that idea. So you have a bomb. So the strategy could be like, if you have the bomb there as just a pickup, then you could maybe look at the layout of the level first, and then have a plan, and then take the bomb and do the plan, something like that. I don't know. You know, it's an idea, and I don't know how well it would work. So I don't know. That would be kind of something cool to make. You know, maybe make a few levels, see how it goes. My second idea, so kind of plan B, that came after, was let's make a game that is not a puzzle game. It is actually a multiplayer game, and the point is, so you have like a time bomb that you're put into an arena basically with a bunch of other people. There's a time bomb going on, and you have to play hot potato, right? So somebody spawns with the bomb, they have to get rid of the bomb, give it to another player, and then, you know, it's just basically a game of hot potato. And maybe I can add some like power-ups to spice it up. Maybe it's something that's kind of more than just simple hot potato, maybe. But I wouldn't mind just making simple hot potato anyway, because that would still be learning a lot from that. So, yeah, that's an option too. So I don't know if that's something to think about. So I don't know which option I want to go down yet. I haven't figured it out. Right now I'm actually trying to learn more about like modular programming or like object-oriented programming. So I'm kind of like, the reason I haven't done a whole lot other than this is mostly because I've been kind of looking into like the dev forums and stuff and just reading more about how to structure programming better, because a project of this structure is of this nature is definitely going to require some kind of programming structure in order to make it, you know, what I want it to be without stressing about bad code. Well, I mean, regardless, I'm probably going to write some bad code, but, you know, because I'm new to it, to Roblox programming. But that's kind of the plan. So I'm just going to learn more about that and hope for the best. And hopefully I can implement some really fun code and just get that going. So make some good, well-structured code. So that is my plan. Giving it out to the whole freaking world, but that's okay because nobody watches my videos. So yeah. So anyway, maybe I'm giving out too much information. I don't know, but that's kind of what I'm trying to do. So again, this is mostly just for me, not really for others, but I do make it public anyway because accountability. That's why. Okay, so that's all I have to say today. I've blabbered my mouth long enough, but yeah, and we will continue next week with another update about the Roblox things. So thank you for watching. This has been Wicked Winds, and just remember, the wind is blowing. Goodbye.